Hello and welcome everyone to a new video. In today's video I will show you how to add the link to your Instagram bio. To do this, it's really simple. You have just to go to Instagram, open the app, and after that you have to go and click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen. And after that, go and click on edit profile. And as you can see here, below the bio, there is an option called links. You have just to click on it. And as you can see, you have the first option, like add link. Click on it. And here you can add the URL and title. And after that, confirm on just by clicking on the right icon on the top right of the screen, and that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.